Welcome to this Xtralis instructional video on how to calibrate a Sensepoint XCL gas detector for large bore aspirated systems. Firstly, I'm going to show the equipment required to do this calibration. We've got the detector installed on the wall as such, connected via Bluetooth to a phone or tablet running the Sensepoint app. We also have a gas bottle with a known concentration of 100 parts per million of CO gas for this particular detector, a fixed flow regulator at half a litre per minute, and a tube with an outer diameter of 6 millimeters. So to perform the test, I need to make sure that there's no flow going through the pipework to the gas detector. So I do this by either turning the detector off, by removing power, or placing the detector into standby mode. Once this is achieved, I can initiate the calibration process by pushing calibrate here on the app. The first stage of the calibration process will be to make sure that we're detecting 0 parts per million of gas when we're not applying gas to the detector. So to do this, I'll push the 0 button. The detector will now sample readings associated with this calibration data. This part of the test is now passed. I need to apply some gas to the detector and let it go into the next phase, which is called the span phase. So I remove this port and I apply the tube into the port, calibration port, and then I can push next. And as I do that, I open the valve and apply gas. Hit the continue button, noting my 100 parts per million. You can see at this stage the detector is registering the gas. So I hit the span button now as the reading is stabilised, and the detector will apply the span reading. Okay, so the span reading is passed. I can stop the flow of gas, and it's now equivalent to 100 parts per million. I can push next. And now I need to purge the gas by turning the detector back on. You'll notice the gas concentration come down. I can also remove the tube to allow the gas to purge. The gas has dropped away, I can put the bung back in. And now I'm finished. I simply hit the finish button. If I require a report can be created.